Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making another Mexican pizza, and I already cut up my green onions, my tomatoes, and I have some lettuce here. And over here I have my meat cooking. Drop it down. So what I'm about to do is get ready to drain all the fat off of here. I'm gonna drain all the, sorry about that, all the fat off of here. And then I'm gonna return it back to the eye and chop it up some more. And then I'm going to turn my oven on. And I will be back. Okay, here's my meat in here, you guys. I just covered it up. I can't find my lid. So, well, here's the hot sauce. Sour cream, the cheese, and you have that as well. And so, I'm going to let it cook, you guys. Then I'm going to be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It's all fresh out the oven. I just gotta add a few more ingredients. Okay, you guys, I cut it in fours. It's all done and ready to be eaten. I'm so hungry. Just got off of work and just hungry as usual. Let's see, come let you all see it. Look in the inside without burning myself. This is super hot. And super good. Okay, you guys, I'm finna eat up and I will chat later. Bye bye for now.